And anytime.
Those USB cables will be mine.
I love it.
Well, let's do it one more time.
Has to be more like.
All right. Oh man, you're bad.
Wow, and you.
Whoops. We'll try. Whoop. Right. Almost. Elena.
I didn't.
Did you get all that, Joe?
I can't.
Action.
Yes, that's my order. Oh, and one more thing. I want black coffee. With just ice.
Oh, I missed it. Try again. All right, Joe. One more time.
Stop.
I'm not zooming in right.
Hello, welcome to Donuts.
Yes.
All right, ready? With just ice? All
With just.
right, action. Boy, that was awkward. And wait. He's gonna redo his line.
And then I come.
Yep.
Cape woman, bring me my capes.
But we have to redo that because we had Max laughing.
All right, stop. Action.
Cape woman, bring me my capes.
What happened to Cape Girl?
Oh my god.
Shut up, Greg. Action.
Cape girl, bring me my capes. Wrong cape. Thank you.
We gotta redo that again. Anytime, Joe.
Cape girl, bring me my capes. Wrong cape. Thank you.
How serious you were.
Why are you down over here? Stay where you were.
Me?
One more time. Yeah. Oh no. Have it unplugged. Unplug it. Okay. And now plug it in.
Chalk.
I don't remember.
Chalk, of course. More chalk.
All right. Try it again, and this time we'll do action.
With my US freeze way.
As soon as I connect my US freeze rate.
okay.
Ready? And
U.S.
What are you doing?
Right.
ready? And action. Action.
After I connect my US freeze way.
Ray. Action.
After I connect my I forget it.
As soon as I
As
connect.
soon as I connect. Okay.
Action.
As soon as I connect my US freeze way.
Really? That's what you're calling it?
I wanted to let this go.
Yeah. You just keep. Greg. Action.
Oh, I thought she was gonna say something.
No, you.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
It's your whole line. Take any time you want.
You come up with a better name then.
No, man. You still have.
I did though. I did it.
Do it again.
He started talking.
Ray. You don't. Action. As soon as I.
As soon as I connect.
Yeah.
my
Say it.
US
Actually do it.
Freeze. Ray.
Okay. Let's do it for real. And 3, 2, 1. Action.
As soon as I connect my US freeze ray.
Seriously? That's what it's called?
You come up with a better name then.
Action.
Oh wait, the other one's still in this one.
Cut. Action.
Wait, I'm not entirely frozen.
Action.
Oh.
I keep losing.
Rolling. Shh. Quiet.
Oh.
Take a few shots. Cut.
2, 1.
Hey, you need to be a little bit more dramatic.
1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 1.
I am Cape Girl.
Do something that looks like you're flying. Yes. That's all awesome.
Wait, I
Do
have to
it.
say I'm Cape Girl? Should I just be like,
Yeah.
Yes. And then we'll-
I missed them.
Action.
I am Cape Girl.
Okay? Give us a, Superman.
Wait,
Superman pose, like this. Yeah. And then
Yes.
go out.
1.
I am. Oh my god.
Yeah, you got it. And
2, 1.
I
stop.
Practice.
5.
Practice
Oh.
up there.
Yeah.
5,
Practice.
4,
what?
3,
Just do as a practice run.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Practice.
Oh my
Good.
god.
Practice.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I am.
Start again.
Something.
I am Cape Girl.